Eggplant rollatini. This is what we will be preparing today. Delicious. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home. Well, we have some friends stopping by this evening and I decided I'm going to make a few little hot munchies, and we're going to start off with eggplant rollatini. Delicious. Now let's get started. You're going to need 2 to 3 of these eggplants, and what's wonderful about these eggplants that are grown today is that you don't have to put the salt over them to remove the bitterness. Cut the ends. I'm just going to cut a little bit on the side here just so that I'm able to make slices of eggplant. Cut them approximately a 1/4 inch size. Do the best you can. Oh, beautiful. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your eggplant slices on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Start brushing your eggplant generously with olive oil on both sides. I really like using sea salt for this recipe. I'm just going to lightly salt them with sea salt. Turning them around, we're going to do the same to the other side. Olive oil, sea salt, preheated oven for 20 minutes. While our eggplant slices are baking off, we're going to start preparing the filling. 2 cups of dry ricotta, cups of shredded mozzarella, 1 large egg. I'm going to scramble it. 1/4 cup of fresh parsley from my garden, the zest of 1 lemon, minced garlic cloves. Mix everything. The filling is well mixed. After 20 minutes of baking and 10 minutes of cooling, this is how they look like. You see? We'll have no problems rolling them. Earlier today, I prepared a very simple marinara sauce. Line your baking dishes. I'm going to do it in individual baking dishes because I just think it looks cute. If not, you can just use a regular baking dish. I've already started preparing my rollatini. Very simple. Take about a tablespoon of the filling and we're going to line the entire eggplant from the widest to the smallest. This is a really important tip. You're going to start rolling it from the smallest end to the top because it'll keep better when they're baking, you see? Beautiful. And I'm going to serve 2 per person. Of course, you could do 3 if you like. Started covering the rollatinis just a little bit on top of each roll. There, a generous sprinkle of Parmigiano Reggiano over the rollatinis. Forgot to mention that I'm using oven-proof gratin dishes, so these are very safe for the oven. Heat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the gratin dishes or your baking dish. A steam action going on in the oven. Bake in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. "25 minutes of baking is done, and I'm going to say it if you can only smell my kitchen. I'm going to remove the aluminum. I have shredded mozzarella. I'm going to be very generous and put it on top of the eggplant. Beautiful. And in my oven for approximately another 5 to 10 minutes. Once the mozzarella has melted, you know it's ready. My eggplant rollatini are ready. My guests are going to love it. I'm going to allow them to cool and then I'm going to taste one for you. I have to say it again. If you could only smell my kitchen. I'm going to taste one for you. Look how beautiful. Are my guests going to be thrilled? I love all the gooey cheese. This is so delicious. Wonderful as an appetizer, or you could put 3 or 4 as a main meal. Beautiful. You really must try this wonderful recipe. Eggplants are in season right now, and it's Katerina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Oh my goodness, this is so good.